Looking for affordable Hyderabadi biryanis in Hyderabad? I recently visited Hot Bucket Biryani's Malkajgiri branch. It is basically a takeaway biryani place. USP of this place is pocket-friendly prices and quantity. Price starts at Rs 150 only. They have a wide variety of biryanis, right from spiciest chicken biryani to veg biryani to dum biryani. My personal favorite was Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. They serve these biryanis in buckets. They have 6 bucket sizes. Single serve bucket is enough for 1 and the 6 serve bucket is enough for 10 people. They have multiple branches across Hyderabad. In addition to takeaway, they are also on Swiggy and Zomato. More details in captions. Save and share.